Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a clean noise sample. This gives your tools a reference. Record 3 10-seconds of room tone with the same mic position and gain as the video. Once done, duplicate the original audio track so you never overwrite raw sound. Make sure to label the copy and the sample clearly. This prevents confusion during editing. If your clip contains intermittent noise, pick the quietest section. You're setting the foundation. Good samples mean better reduction later. Next, create a noise profile from your room tone and apply spectral or adaptive denoise. Start with modest strength so speech stays natural. Once the bulk of noise is gone, open an EQ and perform subtractive moves. Roll off below 80 Hz, reduce 160-400 Hz mud, and notch any persistent hums at identified frequencies. After that, apply gentle compression and a de-esser to stabilize levels without reintroducing noise. Make sure to /B finish by monitoring at normal playback level and render a short export to verify on headphones and speakers. Use spectral repair tools for isolated clicks or breaths and automate subtle fade-ins/outs to hide remaining artifacts. Normalize or match loudness to your target platform, but avoid excessive limiting. If you hear robotic artifacts, lower denoise strength, redo targeted EQ, or consider re-recording problematic lines. Always keep the original track handy. Troubleshooting tip: if denoise creates warble, back off and fix with precise spectral edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.